Treatment of GRD. GRD means gastroesophageal reflux disease, in which there is relaxation of the sphincter of the lower esophageal sphincter, due to which the gastric contents, which are mostly acidic, that passes from gastric area into the esophagus. When it reaches esophagus, that causes irritation and chronic inflammation of the esophageal tube. The various medicines are used for the treatment of GRD. Firstly, antacids. The first choice is aluminum and magnesium hydroxide chemicals, which are used to neutralize the acidity of the gastric content, so that if the contents of the stomach are refluxed into the esophagus due to the loose contraction of the lower esophageal sphincter, could make irritation and inflammation to the most lesser degree. So the acidity is decreased by the antacid drugs. Next drug of choice is H2, that is the histamine 2 receptor blocking drugs. It comprises cimetidine, famotidine, and ranitidine. But nowadays, ranitidine has been neglected due to the suspected action of carcinogenic, so these are not used nowadays. So these drugs, they are next to antacid drugs, because though their action or the mode of action is the same one, that is to reduce the acidity of the gastric content, but the duration of action is prolonged as compared to the antacid drugs. Thirdly, we use the drugs which are called as PPI, proton pump inhibitors. This group includes omeprazole, esomeprazole family groups. These medicines, they are used in single daily dose and prior to the meal. So these are some benefit over the other drugs and mode of treatment. Now, if the medical treatment fails to reduce the symptoms of the GRD, then we proceed and pass on to the final option, that is surgical repairing of the lower esophageal sphincter and upper part of the stomach. That is called as fundoplication. The upper part of the stomach, which is attached with the lower esophageal sphincter, that is wrapped tightly around the sphincter. The actual aim and object is to boost up the contraction of the sphincter so that the reflux could not occur. If it is not feasible or could not provide the necessary results, then we perform the surgical repair of the hiatal hernia, which is the main and basic factor in etiological causation of the GRD. So these are the basic steps which are adopted to reduce the severity of the GRD.